Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I have a quick walkthrough of a card I just received that I'm going to do a very impromptu walkthrough of the techniques that I find really fun that go along with yesterday's coloring video, and then I also want to share which items on this card are part of the Sale-A-Bration event that is happening through Sunday, February 28th. The two Sale-A-Bration items both are free with $50 purchase. So if you bought $100, you could get both of them. One is this circled ombre paper called Ombre. It comes in 4 different colors: teal, blackberry bliss, teal being the Bermuda Bay, blackberry bliss, rococo rose, and pear pizzazz, I believe, are the 4 colors. And you get a non-circled ombre page and this circled ombre page. And the ombre goes diagonally across. It's 6 by 6. So it goes light in one corner up to dark the opposite corner. And of course the Darling Donkeys is the other Sale-A-Bration item. And I want to point out on this card the 2 very cute coloring techniques. One is similar to yesterday's technique that I demonstrated, only used in a different way. So when you push the color through with the color lifter, you get these little dots that the donkey has on him, which give him a little texture to his coat. And then she gave him a little bit of a blaze there, again by pushing the color, by holding the color lifter point, the bullet point, after you've colored with the gray. Just like I demoed yesterday, only using the points in a different, to achieve a different effect. And then this flower, which is actually a mini catalog item, the January through June mini catalog. It's the True Love Designer Series paper that has florals on one side and patterns on the other. And I really like that the creator of this card just took the black lines and followed those black lines in little flicking motions, using, it looks like the pool party, either light or dark, I don't know which, to give the flower a little bit less color weight than the donkey so that he stays the focal. And I like that she weighted them a little differently. Even though the flower is on top, it still is a lighter depth of color, and then the donkey is kind of the center point. And notice she put him in the center. So very well done card, love everything about it. And I did not get an okay to film this card, so I hope that this isn't going to get me in trouble. I guess it's I did send an email, but I hadn't heard back. So perhaps the creator of this card will pop in and leave a comment and take credit for their wonderful creativity. Love everything about it. It made my day to get it. So please like and subscribe. I will have the supplies list on my blog. Leave your questions, comments, and suggestions either over on the blog or here on the video. And thanks for watching.